Hi and welcome to the Ultimate Caddy Drill videos. Now that we properly placed the hands on the club and we got ourselves in a good address position, we can proceed to execute more dynamic things. So this is a very simple but effective drill, and it will give you also some checkpoints to achieve a proper half backswing position. So wear all your sensors and let's go. Alright, so grab your club. I have a 7-iron here, and of course I have all my sensors on. Pressure sensors, waist, spine and glove. Now get to your good address position, and from this drill we will just start the backswing, but from this position. So basically without moving your spine too much or sliding your knees, just try to be as stable as you can. Just bring the club parallel to the ground towards the target. Now from this position, just swing it back up to the point that your lead arm is parallel to the ground. Also here, no spine movements. Okay, small movements are allowed, but remember that we are looking for a balanced golf swing. So basically from here, it's the momentum of the club that brings you there. So we use this extra space for feeling more the momentum of the club, and of course your wrists should be very relaxed in order to hinge properly. That's the weight of the club that does it. Basically the momentum is helping you because you're not manipulating the club, you're not bringing it offline. You just follow, you just ride the wave and you will find yourself in this position. A good checkpoint is that when you're here, the shaft is pointing towards the target line. So it's not gonna be like this or like that, you see. Just stop here and it's gonna be more or less parallel to pointing at the target line. So this exercise will give you also an extra bonus, which is timing, because from here you will find the feeling that if you rush the club head or if you rush the body, the two speeds are not matched. So it will also give you a good timing for your backswing. So what we want to avoid here are excessive movements of the spine. So vertical and lateral, we are looking for a very stable backswing. Sliding of the knees, we want to avoid them, of course, because that means that your weight is sliding too much. So always for balance, just try to be as more centered as you can. Now you will find yourself that you have some rotation here in your chest. Your right leg is slightly straightening up. Your weight is starting to go on your right side. It's not full backswing, so it's not a fully charged right foot. So the weight is starting to go right. So yeah, this is a very relaxed position. In order to set a valuable target, we suggest you to do this drill at least 3 times, and I'm gonna show you. So you start in your good address position, bring the club here, head quite still, and 1, and you just stop with your lead arm parallel to the ground, checking that your club is pointing at the target line, and you set yourself again, parallel there, 2, all right, there we go. I feel some pressure on my right foot, set yourself again, and 3. I feel that my chest is rotating a little bit, but my head stands still, and my wrist and arms are very relaxed. Before setting the target, we suggest you to practice it a little bit. So maybe you can do it like just 2 or 3 times, just to get the feeling of relaxation. And then you can also hit few balls like this, very soft and very slow, like 1, 2, and you will be very surprised at how far the ball will go almost effortlessly.